Welcome, everyone, to today's video lecture on nurturing your spiritual self. In a world filled with hustle and bustle, it's crucial to take a step back and reconnect with our inner selves. Today, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, exploring the realm of spirituality. What is spirituality? To be spiritual is to stand in a relationship based on matters of the soul. Spirituality is a deeply personal and subjective experience. It involves seeking meaning, purpose, and connection beyond the material world. It's about embracing our innermost being and connecting with something greater than ourselves. Take a moment to reflect on what spirituality means to you and how it has influenced your life.
What's the difference between spirituality and religiosity?
Spirituality often focuses on subjective experiences, self-discovery, and the pursuit of meaning, wholeness, and transcendence. Religiosity, on the other hand, is associated with organized religion and adherence to specific religious doctrines, rituals, and practices. It involves participating in formal religious institutions, following established religious traditions, and engaging in communal worship. Religiosity often includes beliefs in specific deities or divine entities, adherence to religious scriptures, and participation in religious ceremonies or rituals. Now, let's explore practical ways to cultivate your spiritual self. One way to practice spirituality is finding and creating meaning in life. Meaning in life refers to the feeling that people have that their lives and experiences make sense and matter. Meaning in life, and the meaning in our own lives, results from creative efforts on our part. It is not a prior reality awaiting our discovery. Though we talk about a search for meaning, what we are seeking is primarily a mode of creativity that will make our lives meaningful. Viktor Frankl was a famous author with his book Man's Search for Meaning. Frankl, Jewish Austrian psychiatrist who founded logotherapy, a school of psychotherapy that describes a search for a life's meaning as the central human motivational force. According to Frankl, meaning can be found through first, experiencing reality by interacting authentically with the environment and with others. Second, giving something back to the world through creativity and self-expression. And third, changing our attitude when faced with a situation or circumstance that we cannot change. Another way to nurture spirituality is meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool to quiet the mind, awaken consciousness, and foster inner peace. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Allow thoughts to come and go, observing without judgment. Practice this regularly to develop a deeper sense of self-awareness and mindfulness. Alongside meditation, self-reflection is crucial in understanding our spiritual selves. Carve out time each day for introspection. Ask yourself meaningful questions. Who am I? What values do I hold dear? What brings me joy? Reflecting on these questions helps align our actions with our authentic selves, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Connecting with nature is another profound way to nurture our spiritual selves. Step outside and breathe in the fresh air. Engage your senses, feel the earth beneath your feet, listen to the rustling leaves, and marvel at the beauty of the natural world. Nature has a way of reminding us of our interconnectedness and can serve as a gateway to experiencing something greater than ourselves. Building on the previous practices, let's discuss the importance of compassion and gratitude. Cultivating compassion towards ourselves and others allows us to deepen our connection with the world around us. Practice kindness, empathy, and forgiveness daily. Expressing gratitude for the blessings in our lives opens our hearts and nurtures a sense of abundance, amplifying our spiritual growth. As we conclude our lecture on nurturing your spiritual self, remember that this is a lifelong journey. Embrace the process and be patient with yourself. Find what resonates with your soul and incorporate it into your daily life. Whether it's through meditation, self-reflection, connecting with nature, or practicing compassion and gratitude, remember that spirituality is a personal exploration, unique to each individual. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this lecture has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to embark on a path of spiritual self-discovery. Remember, true transformation begins within. Until next time, take care and nurture your spiritual self.